In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a free trial of Ubersuggest and make sure you cancel it in time to avoid charges. First, open Google Chrome and go to the Ubersuggest landing page at neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct site before continuing. This is important anytime you're signing up for an online service, especially if payment details may be involved later. When you're on the page, click the Sign In option and begin creating your account. You'll need to complete a standard registration profile and set up your workspace using an active email address that you can access right away. Make sure the information you enter is accurate because you may need to confirm your email or return to this account later to manage the subscription settings. It's also a good idea to use a strong password and store it somewhere safe so you can log back in without any issues. After your account is ready, look for the upgrade notice that says Start My 7-Day Free Trial. Select that option to unlock premium feature tracking. This trial gives you temporary access to paid tools, so if your goal is to test the platform before committing, this is the stage where that access begins. Next, you'll be asked to enter your payment method. At this point, input your credit card details or choose the PayPal option if that's available and preferred. As always, only do this on a secure connection and double check that the billing page is legitimate before submitting anything. Even though it's a free trial, a payment method is still required because the system is typically set up to begin automatic billing once the trial ends. The most important part comes after that. If you do not want to continue with the paid subscription, go into your account dashboard settings and cancel the premium trial before the 7th day. Don't wait until the last minute if possible. Canceling a little early can help you avoid timing issues, processing delays, or confusion about when the billing cycle officially starts. Before you leave the account, look for any confirmation message or email showing that the cancellation was completed successfully. That final check can save you from unexpected charges later. That's the full process from signing up for the free trial to canceling it safely before billing begins.